I want to show you how the cucumbers are growing, and now they are doing real good, and I'm about to pull them. These plants I planted in the yard, I want to say March the 28th, I believe, and so far they are growing pretty good. So it's time for me to start picking my cucumbers. The squash are coming up so far. I'm waiting for them to get a little bigger. Give it a couple more days. I think they should be ready to be pulled. The string beans, I had pulled some of these already, and they are coming. I didn't plant a lot of string beans, but they are coming up real good. So it's time for me about to start pulling them again.